Well, the annual Free For All Baltimore celebration of the arts has just kicked off for the month of October.
And one part of it is opening up artist studios really to the public. And Stetson Miller gives us a preview now of the Open Studio Tour.
Some of Baltimore's artists are soon opening their studio doors to give Marylanders a behind-the-scenes look at how their work is made. It's called the Baltimore Open Studio Tour, an annual event now in its 33rd year that's part of Free Fall Baltimore, when the public can meet with local artists, see their creative process, and buy some of their work.
We have fashion designers, sculptors, textile, woodworking, bookbinding, all different types of artists open their spaces and allow the public to come inside to see their process.
Studios will be open for free at different locations all across the city, like at Motor House on West North Avenue, where artists like Abiosa Alendente can show off some of their latest work.
What I'm showcasing is my culture from Nigeria, so I'm Yoruba, and then this Adire fabric is indigenous to the Yoruba tradition.
The event gives everyone a chance to see some of the most creative work being made in Charm City, and a chance to think about why it's so important to it.
It's an opportunity to bring people together. It's an opportunity to see some new artists, but then it's also an opportunity for us to have some bigger conversations about the value of the arts.
And the Open Studio Tour happens on the 23rd and 24th in just a few weekends. You can learn more by heading to freefallbaltimore.org. In Station North, Stetson Miller for WJZ.